In case you have also joined this company, the name is Transparent Work Service. They take your ID proofs and make you sign this agreement, and then after that they give you the work. Like that, the other company also, the name is Redex Technology, but now they have sent you this notice under section 73, 74, 75 Indian Contract Act for breach of contract, and you are supposed to pay the penalty. Otherwise, legal notice will be dispatched to your given address, and you have to come to the court, and the legal action will be taken against you, and your career will get spoiled. You have to pay in lakhs when you come to the court. So on the name of cancellation of agreement, NOC, court fee, legal fee, they will demand a hefty amount from you. So in case you have also taken any data entry, form filling, capture filling, handwriting work, but now they people are demanding a money, otherwise they are sending a notice, legal action. No need to worry, we are going to advise and help you, so that you don't have to worry about getting any legal notice to your address, or paying any amount to them, or facing any legal issue. For help, just contact us and save your time and money. Just WhatsApp us the name of the company and whatever notice or message you have received, so that we can help you in a better way. Like the video, share.